Hello everyone. Hi Aquarius air sign. So this is the bonus reading for you, the year-ending message of 2020 and the messages coming for you in 2021 January. So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages from Moon Oracle deck first. Aquarius air sign. A new start is coming. New moon. A time for healing. Okay, so these are the two cards. I think, yeah, it's a time for healing for you if you are undergoing such trauma, anxiety, or depression. If you are undergoing some heartbroken situations, yeah, definitely it's time for healing, and a new start is coming. After healing, there is a new start for you, especially when new moon is coming. Yeah, definitely it's time for healing. If you want healing, this is the right time for you. Do meditation, do breathing exercise, and etc. Definitely it's time for you healing, and a new start is coming. Definitely there will be a new start for you in relationship and career also. So let's see your messages from tarot, present, past, and future, and everything outcome. So let's see your present situation and challenge, Aquarius. So your present situation, yes, Ten of Wands, challenge, Ace of Wands, past, Queen of Swords, recent past, the Fool, outcome, Ten of Swords, path to the future. I want clarification card for 10. Okay. Under the deck, the Chariot. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, definitely the present moment, the present situation in your life is 10 of Wands. Yeah, you are feeling overburdened, definitely due to work pressure or family responsibilities or in relationship, whatever you are feeling overburdened. See 10 of Wands, this card, you're literally feeling you are unable to move one step forward with these heavy responsibilities. Definitely you're feeling overburdened, and the here the challenge is Ace of Wands. Yeah, you want new start in your life. Definitely the cards, a new start is coming, but it will take time. Definitely a new start is coming because you have to go some healing process after. Definitely this is a challenge for you. This is a challenge for you. The new start, you have to start a new life in your life. Definitely after healing, first you have to heal your wounds and past baggage. You have to leave your past baggage. Definitely this is the challenge for you. Yeah, you have to move forward in life. Okay, and in recent past, Queen of Swords with 10 of Cups, and yeah, definitely you cut off someone in your life because you deserve best. They didn't offer what you want, because that's why you cut them off. Definitely there is separation between you and your person. And yes, past and recent past, definitely there is some transformation you are undergoing. You are not talking to your person, Virgo, your person involved in this connection could be, yeah, definitely some new start is going to be happen. And recent past, definitely there is some reconciliation also happened between both of you, then again something happened. Yeah, that's why you're feeling overburdened due to work pressure. Also you are feeling overburdened, and the outcome is 10 of Swords. Yeah, you decided to end the situation. Yeah, because you are holding back your feelings, because your near future is 4 of Pentacles clarified by 9 of Pentacles. Definitely I think, Aquarius, you decided to move on from this person. And I think in any job you are doing right now, I think you want to leave that job also. You want to change your company, where you are working right now. For some, you want rebirth in this connection. Very few, because I think there is no equal give and take. You only are the person always investing in this connection. That's why you are holding back your emotions, because 4 of Pentacles with 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, you are achieving financial stability. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You are concentrating on your career right now. you are achieving your financial stability, you are very grounded. Yeah, path to the future is very very encouraging. Definitely you are holding back and you are investing your energy on yourself. What I'm seeing, you are no more giving your energy to relationships or anything. Definitely only you are concentrating on yourself, or you are investing your energy only on yourself. That's why you stand by your power. Now you are very attractive to everyone because you are working on yourself only. Aquarius. Yeah, you are at the end of the day, definitely you started something new. Definitely you are, your challenge is Ace of Wands, new beginning. Definitely you will overcoming your challenge. So let's see more about you. Under the deck, the Fool. What a coincidence. Definitely a new start is coming in your life. Aquarius. Yeah, see more about you. Really, you are feeling overburdened. You want to move on. See again, Ten of Wands. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see more about the situation. Yeah, see, I think there is no contact. You are not, but the sun, definitely positive changes are coming in your life. This transformation is only for good. I think the Four of Swords, definitely you are not talking. You both are not talking in terms, and yeah, you are undergoing healing process because it is a time for healing. Yeah, you are not talking to anyone but thinking something about a lot. Yeah, you are undergoing healing process. Aquarius. Let's see hopes and fears. Wow. I think Queen of Wands, yeah, you will achieve your power, and you are taking your power back. You stand by your power. Yeah. Queen of Wands. Now you be like this after the transformation and after the healing. There will be new beginning in your life, in your career also. Definitely will get success. So let's see the outcome. The Lovers. Yeah, I think someone new is entering in your life. For some it could be your past person entering in your life. I think you are holding back right now. You are concentrating on your career. Once you achieved your balance, when you once you take your power back, definitely there is love is coming in your way. The Lovers, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. Wow, wow. So definitely when you are working yourself, when you are investing energy on yourself, definitely you will attract everything in your life like money, love, everything. See under the deck the star, sorry. Under the deck the star card is here. Definitely things are turning out in your favor, and yeah, you will get more recognition. Everybody see you as a star. Definitely will get recognition in your work. Yeah, because you stand by your power. So let's see some cards from universe. Final message for you, Aquarius. See, Three of Pentacles. The Moon. I think the person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. Wow. Yeah. You are investing your money in some other businesses. Yeah. More businesses, more collaborations. You are investing your money with other persons, with other partners. Yeah. And someone from past is coming back for reconciliation to work on this relationship. Yeah, but something secrets hidden in this connection, maybe in your partnership also, in career wise, in business wise. Be careful because there will be some tower movement. Definitely I think it is you are undergoing some tougher moment right now, because you are ending, you decided to move on from this person because you want to invest on your energy on yourself only. Definitely things are turning out in your favor. I already told you, things are turning out your favor. It's your time. So if you want to achieve your goals, definitely concentrate on your goals. You are going to be achieving financial abundance. Definitely someone from past is coming back. It's up to you to give second chance or not. But what I'm seeing here, it is more about you. This reading is more about you. So yeah, it is a time for healing. After healing, there is a major changes are coming in your life, positive outcomes. Yeah, so this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.